happy to give them their money back and sell their tickets on the street.
Now I dropped you off at your usual corner.
She was walking in a pawn shop before she picked her out in one of those crushing suits. She don't show
Well, I knew you and Miss Grace were going to the park. I thought you might like to take a little picnic.
Oh, you don't, you?
The refrigerator's broken, and if we don't eat it, it's garbage.
Tattletale.
Well, it sure beats hanging out on the fire escape with a can of Frank's